So I'm going to shift the direction of this channel because I'm really not a travel YouTuber. I really want to show people how to make money being a software engineer. That's where I make most of my money from. So I'm going to be giving guys a step-by-step tutorial daily. So you guys should expect some new videos daily about how you guys can make money by building apps as well as websites. So I kind of want to go over the basics for the next few months. You guys can follow along. A lot of these tutorials that you see on YouTube will be free. I may have something paid down the line, but I really want to focus on getting guys out of the house and getting them to be able to travel by learning how to program. One of the things I'm going to talk about today is if you want to be a software engineer, one of the quickest ways to make money is by learning React. Basically, the average salary in the U.S. is about 120,000. Entry level is about 60, but you can go up pretty fast from here. You can, if you're in the top earner, you can easily make $75 an hour from some stuff that's pretty easy to learn. Without having to install anything on your computer, you can at least learn and follow along. There's a website called StackBlitz. This is a great website for beginners to test some of these tools out. There's a lot of great tools on here. I'm not affiliated with any of this at all. It's just a tool that I used to use a lot. So I'm going to show you guys this. And it gives you the option of making a lot of different projects that you can test. There's Angular, React, Vue.js. You can do basic HTML, CSS projects, vanilla JavaScript. So there's a lot of good stuff here. I would definitely check this out. Let's actually start with a React application. And we'll build this application for you. And here you'll have the HTML and CSS. So I want you guys to follow along and go to this source folder. And over here, it'll be building. Here's your kind of website that you can go to. You can actually view this in a browser. So there you go. Let's head back and let's look at this website. So basically everything you see here is here. HTML are just tags that your browser reads in order to display something. Like you've got text, images, buttons, and so on. Let's actually kind of start off with the basics. Let's just delete all of this. And a basic tag that a lot of people use is the p tag, which stands for paragraph. They have to have a opening tag and closing tag. Basically, these look fairly the same. The only difference is that the closing has a slash before it. And you can go on websites to kind of reference these. In between that, you can type your text. Say, for instance, hello, world traveler. And it will appear on the screen. These are your basics for tags. You can also do an H1 tag, which is kind of a header tag. And if I do that, welcome, you can see that the size is different. Now, these shouldn't be confused with font styles, which we'll go over in some videos. But this is kind of based on the importance of the text on the screen. So this is how kind of like search engines like Google see, okay, what's the most important thing on the screen? They're going to look at these tags and they're going to look at the text in between them to say, okay, this must be what's the most important versus, the paragraph, which is not necessarily as important. This is more so the content. So that goes into SEO, but we won't go into SEO in this video. But we're just basically just playing around, seeing how like a basic JavaScript application works. These are variables. Variables are something else. We'll go in that in some videos coming up. But for right now, we'll just be we'll just be playing around with tags. So let's do a H2 tag. This is slightly less important. Less important. And as we type that, you'll see this here. Now, learning web design is extremely easy, and it's a great source of revenue, great source of income. There's a lot of different things that you can do. If we hit Control Z or Command Z, if you're on a Mac, we can also see images. We have these image tags, and let's actually go into that. I want to explain the difference between two different types of images. So we have this React logo, which is an SVG file. We also have the Vue logo, which is, let's see, the Vite logo, which is also somewhere else here. But you have this image tag, which just specifies that this is a picture that'll be on the screen. Anytime you see a photo online, Instagram or Facebook, you'll definitely see these image tags if you're looking through the code. And the A tag is just a reference to a link, something that you can click into. If I click on these, it'll take me to another website. But that's kind of it for right now. Tomorrow I'll have some more videos, but I'll start going a lot slower so guys can follow along. Definitely put in the comment section what you want to learn, and I will reply to you, and I'll make a video about it. So thanks again, guys. Really appreciate it. Bye.